Hello, my name is Teresa and I am going to show you how to complete the Student Basic Profile on the Pikes Peak Business and Education Marketplace. Ready? Follow me. First, we need to navigate to the PPBEA.org website and sign in to our student account. We're going to use the Sign In button at the top right-hand corner of this page. We're going to type in the email address that we used to create the account and the password. Then we will click Log In. As our student account opens, it opens to the dashboard. It will always load to the dashboard. Your dashboard shows a lot of useful information. It shows how many opportunities are posted and active in the database, as well as how many events are posted on the community calendar. If you have any messages in your inbox, that will be noted here in the yellow box. If you have applied to any opportunities, that will be located here under Applications. Under those boxes is your profile completion taskbar, which is right here, and the most recent actions you have taken will be listed in the timeline box. If there are any specific tasks that you need to complete, you will find those listed here. Currently, mine says no assigned tasks at this time. Let's click on the profile link in the navigation menu to go directly to our profile page. Notice the 3 task messages that appear in red. Once we complete these required items for our basic student profile, those red bars will disappear. To begin editing, we need to click on the edit icon in the top right corner of the profile box. You can find that right here. A new window will open for us to enter the required information. Our full name should be accurate because we entered it when we registered. If it isn't, you can correct it at this time. Next, we will check our birthday to make sure that it's correct from when we entered it when we registered. Next, we are going to choose the gender we identify with, or we can choose Prefer Not to Answer. Next, we are going to think about what our current pathway is. We want to enter that here. No worries, you can always change your mind. And if you haven't decided on a particular pathway yet, you can type in undecided. Next, we're going to choose the ethnicity that fits or the Prefer Not to Answer button. After that, we're going to enter our anticipated graduation year. This can also be edited if needed. Last, we're going to enter our phone number. Great job. The OK button is what we will click now, and it's going to give us a notification that says your basic profile has been updated. Great, we can close this notification window and it will take us back to our profile page. Now we can see that our information is showing in our basic profile. The next item we need to address is the Student Work-based Learning Agreement. You can open the agreement here. If you click on the link, it will open in a separate window as a PDF document. Make sure to read through the entire agreement. You need to understand the expectations of participating in opportunities posted on the marketplace. Click the box next to I agree to the Student Work-based Learning Agreement to acknowledge that you have read, understand, and agree to the items in the Student Work-based Learning Agreement. Once you do that, it will give you a notification that you have agreed to the Student Work-based Learning Agreement. You may close this notification and move on to the next step. Now it is time to invite your school-based sponsor. This should be a teacher, instructor, or advisor who is familiar with your career pathway and current goals. You will click on the icon in the top right corner of your profile box that says Choose Sponsor. A new window will pop open and you will enter the email address, the school email address, and the first and last name of the person you are inviting. I'm going to use my staff test account to create this link. A new advisor account has been added. At this point, this will generate an automatic email invitation that will be sent to the person whose email and name you just entered. That person will need to open the email and accept or decline the invitation. If they accept and already have a Marketplace account, it will link automatically. If they accept but don't have a Marketplace account, they will be asked and directed to create one before they are linked to your account. Once sponsor and student accounts are linked, they will be able to see your profile information, any opportunity applications you submit, plus message you inside the app as they support your progress. If the sponsor you invited declines the invitation, it could mean that they do not have room to sponsor more students at this time. You will be notified and need to invite a new school-based sponsor. It would be a good idea to check ahead of time with the staff member you plan to invite to make sure they have room and can watch for the email invite. So we can close this notification window and move on to the next part. The last part is to link your parents' email. So we will click on the icon in the upper right-hand corner, Link Parent Account, and here we will input our parent test account. And we will click the OK button. This will automatically generate an email inviting your parent to create an account and learn more about the Pikes Peak Business and Education Alliance and the Marketplace. Once their account has been activated and linked to yours, they will be able to see your profile information and any active opportunity applications. We can go ahead and close this. We can navigate back to our dashboard and see that in our taskbar we have registered our account, we have activated our account, and we have completed our basic profile. Great job! Make sure to check out the expanded student profile video that will walk you through the process of completing your expanded profile. Thanks for joining me today.